In today's video, I'm going to teach you change multiple text color in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update the color of several text items at once using the Home tab, which is great for improving readability, organizing your drawing, or meeting a specific drafting standard. First, start by selecting the text you want to change. This can be single-line text or multi-line text. Both work the same way for this task. You can click each text object one by one to add it to your selection, or you can use a selection window. Drag from left to right to select only the objects fully inside the window, or drag from right to left to select everything the window touches. If you accidentally pick something you didn't mean to, hold Shift and click it again to remove it from the selection. Pressing Escape will clear the selection entirely if you want to start over. Take a moment to zoom in where needed and make sure you've only highlighted the text you intend to modify. This quick check helps prevent changing dimensions, leaders, or other objects by mistake. With your text still selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Look for the Properties section. In that panel, you'll see a color drop-down. Click the drop-down and choose the color you want for your selected text. You can pick from the standard AutoCAD index colors or a true color, depending on your preference and your office standards. As soon as you choose a color, AutoCAD applies it to everything you selected. If your text was previously set to by layer, changing the color here applies a direct color override to those text objects. That means they will no longer follow the layer's color until you switch them back to by layer. Keep that in mind if you're working in a layered environment and want consistency across your drawing. If you ever need to return control to the layer, simply open the same color drop-down and choose by layer again. That's all there is to it. Select the multiple text, go to the Properties section of the Home tab, and pick a color from the drop-down. A quick tip before we wrap up. After applying the color, glance over your drawing to confirm that only the intended text changed. It's an easy habit that prevents surprises later in plotting or coordination. With this simple approach, you can standardize notes, emphasize key callouts, or bring older files up to your current style quickly and confidently.